Me nah gonna make you do this to me again.
Trevor, don't do nothing stupid.
Trevor, I don't want to take your life, but you have to preserve mine. And not the problem taking yours. We're good? You have to behave yourself? Good. Let's talk. Where you want from me, Carlton? Where you really want from me?
Well, Trevor, you're unbelievable. You can't believe you're trying to play victim in that scenario. Look at it this way. Consider this payback.
You know, so somebody need to put a stop to you. You can't continue them way, you know. Carlton, me owe you. Me owe you, brother. Yo. Shut your mouth. Just stop your eyes. Cause right now you behave like, look, if you know when you get beaten, that was always your problem. You're damn narcissist. Sit down. Trevor, when we meet you, you'd hustle $100 bag and $500 bag on the can. Show you the game. Me turn you in a developer. Me give you first big contract. So at what point you feel sick you could arise against me? I'm not saying you not give me a start. But I'm me build myself to where me there right now. That me expect. Me a mentor. You're supposed to be ambitious. But my problem is, you try out for my project then. I'm missing for what? A couple of weeks. I'm a biggest project. Me here said, Trevor Sullivan. Trevor Sullivan. Who me bring to the game. I try to take my project. So what, you expect it to go so? Look, you never lose your life. Carlton, everybody say you did dead. So what you did want me to do? A project like that, the boat. What you expect me to do? No run on pan it. You would have done the same thing. Trevor. Alright. So why? Water Warren try to kill me in a jail. You gotta tell me you don't know about that too, don't? Water Warren? What you talking about? What is this thing with everybody that play stupid? Your business partner, colleague. Yes. We know about you and she. She set me up, sent me to prison. And you try to take my life? Yeah. I know that business is a cutthroat one. But when you try to take my life, it's a whole different level. I'm not gonna kill you, Trevor. I'm gonna make your life miserable. With your 6 baby mother. Oh yes. There are worse things than dying. Carlton, I need that project. I really need that project to put me back on my foot. You understand? I need it for my youth them. Don't worry about the youth them. Never pay all them school fees. And give baby mother them some grocery money. you that go fend for yourself a different way. So Carlton, you really have left me out in the cold, so the grateful, you're not cold. So can't even work with you? Well, the place I gonna need a caretaker. Interested? Caretaker? Oh, the first order of business, clean up the mess that you made.